friend gave me this beautiful lampshade. It's so delicate. And I want to use it on a lamp, but I don't have any lamp that it fits. But I do have this oil lamp. So I'm going to change this into an electric lamp. You can buy these in South Africa pre-made. I'm just going to move the plug because it's too low. And I'm going to put it all together. So the first thing is to screw this off. Oh, it screws out like that. Cool. And then, oh yes, there. You can take this off completely. And I am just going to pull this wire through there and let it come out on the side. If you see, there's these clips. So I can actually undo those clips. Let me go and find the right tool. It's an old-fashioned butter knife. Up. And now it's all separate. So the next step is to pull this through. There we go. I think I'm going to bend that so this fits in there. Like that. Let's see if that's okay. It is going to work. I just need to bend it a bit more. Okay, it's in. And now I can put this back. And then screw this back in. Okay. I want this to fit on there. So those things I'm going to bend open as well. Also want this off. So this usually not very strong metal. So it basically tears as you go. I'll say. Ooh, don't break it. And now I'm going to clean it. Is it too much to ask? And I have these shells that I picked up when I moved to the village. And it's amazing. A lot of these you don't find on the beach anymore. They are so pretty. I like the orange glow of this. So I think I'm going to use the kawi shells and put them all in there. It's so pretty. So it's back. Spin it. Tell me that you're ready to go. Tell me that you're ready to go. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting, waiting. Let's try this one.